Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem section, perfect for beginners. Today's challenge is to find the total number of triangles in the provided figure. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comments. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. I've prepared a PDF version of this question, which you can use to challenge your friends. See who can color all the possible triangles in the figure without repeating any. The link to the PDF is in the video description. Here are some examples from my family's activity this afternoon. Now, back to the problem. Take a close look at this figure. Let's color these 3 lines red and these 4 lines blue, naming them B1, B2, B3 and R1, R2, R3, R4 as shown. With these 3 red lines and 4 blue lines, we know that any triangle formed must contain either 2 red lines and 1 blue line, or 1 red line and 2 blue lines. For the first case, the calculation is 3 choose 2 times 4 choose 1. For the second case, it is 3 choose 1 times 4 choose 2. Adding these two values, we get 30. But wait, is the answer really 30? It seems we have made a common mistake in counting problems by overlooking some cases. In this scenario, we need 2 red lines and 1 blue line, excluding blue line B4. Note that 2 red lines and B4 cannot form any triangle. After this correction, we find the correct answer, 27. Hence, the answer is 27. Interestingly, 27 is 3 cubed. These observations leads to a pattern. There's only 1 triangle in the first figure, and carefully counting revealed 8 or 2 cubed triangles in the second figure. As mentioned, there are 27 or 3 cubed triangles in this figure. Naturally, one might wonder if the next figure contains 64 or 4 cubed triangles. How about the general case? What do you think? I presented this question to our community yesterday and received 23 votes, with 57% of you giving the correct response. Thank you for participating in this poll, and I look forward to your engagement in future discussions. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and are excited for more math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.